COVID-19 pandemic has been a difficult time for all of us. We probably haven't been able to see friends as often, have had to social distance, and over time, staying home can make it difficult to get work done, or you just end up feeling cooped up in general. Well, worry not. There are plenty of ways for us to work together to flatten the curve.
One main way you can help is by washing your hands. Not only is it a sanitary part of everyday's life, but washing your hands with soap and water is actually more effective than hand sanitizer. You'll also be washing your hands for at least 20 seconds, which is the same time as almost singing happy birthday twice. It is very important that you wash your hands before and after you go out in a public place. I know it's very hard to keep track of what you have touched in a day, so please wash your hands.
Another way you can help is by trying to avoid touching your face, especially if you've just been out in public and touching other objects. Lastly, the most important way to help is by wearing a mask whenever you go out somewhere in public.
It's important to wear a face mask at all times, especially when going to the store or seeing friends. While wearing your face mask, it is important to socially distance. This is about 6 feet,
or how far apart you should be to stay safe.
According to the CDC, the virus can travel up to about 6 feet, so not wearing a face mask greatly puts you at risk. So be sure to wear a face mask.
This is because the disease can spread through tiny particles through coughing, sneezing, and even sometimes just through talking alone. So you should wear a mask not only to protect yourself, but to protect others.
Most of all, the best way to prevent the spread is to stay in the comfort of your own home. You can now use this time to spend more time with your family, find a new hobby, or even work on a new skill.
Have a nice day. Thank you for your time.
Brought to you by San Diego County's Youth Emergency Readiness Ambassadors.